Your photos are secretly broadcasting your home address to strangers. Every image you share contains hidden GPS coordinates. And if you're a consultant sharing client work, this is a liability waiting to happen. Here's the deal. Every photo your phone takes embeds metadata, your exact location, the time, even your device info. Share a project photo with a client? Post a case study online? You might be giving away where you live and work. Most professionals have no idea this data exists. But AI tools now make stripping it dead simple. First up, Metapho. This iOS app is built for speed. Open any photo and it instantly shows all embedded metadata in plain English. Here's the pro move. Set up a shortcut automation to run Metapho before any share action. That way, you never accidentally send location data again. It strips everything in one tap. GPS, timestamps, device info, gone. Next, ExifCleaner. This is the desktop powerhouse for batch processing. Drag in 50 photos, and it strips metadata from all of them in seconds. The key tip here, create a dedicated folder called Clean Exports. Set ExifCleaner to auto-process anything dropped in. Now you have a foolproof system. Every client deliverable goes through that folder first. No thinking required. Finally, Adobe Lightroom AI. If you're already editing client photos here, this is your workflow. Lightroom's 26 export settings now include AI-powered metadata control. The move? Create an export preset called Client Safe. Set it to strip all location data, but keep your copyright info. One click and every export is clean, built right into the tools you already use. Sponsor name is today's sponsor. Look, if you're handling client files and stripping metadata, you need secure storage that doesn't leak your data either. Sponsor name gives you end-to-end encrypted cloud storage built for professionals. I've been using it for client deliverables because zero-knowledge encryption actually means something. Links in the description. That's 3 tools, 0 excuses. Drop a comment telling me which one you're trying.